Everyone, welcome back to my blog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Megan. It's been a blog. For today's blog is time for dinner. Is dinner time is Wednesday night. We're having pounder fish, fried pounder fish, yummy fried pounder fish with basmati rice, courtesy from my husband, sponsored from my husband. Thank you very much for buying me dinner for tonight. And we have some bread as well. Put the fish inside and eat it just like that. There you go. Fish sandwich. You can make fish sandwich like that. Fish sandwich. So let's have some fish sandwich and rice. Everyone from Fish Wings of America. So located that in our shopping center out here. So make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone, it's me again. It's been a vlog. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe. Please don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next vlog. It's me again. It's been a vlog saying love you guys. Hello everyone. It's rainy day here. It's 5:15. It's rainy day here in Maryland, USA. Is dark. It's rainy day. So rainy day here in Maryland, USA. So please be careful and be safe. As always, it's me again, it's been a vlog, and of course we always have body armor and anti-dehydration drink. So let's eat, enjoy, and God bless. Be safe everyone, and thank you for watching, and see you again soon for the next vlog. It's me again, it's been a vlog saying thank you and God bless you all. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon for the next vlog. It's me again, it's been a vlog saying let's eat, enjoy, and God bless you all. It silent us a mega shout out to all the silent viewers, silent subscribers. Hello everyone, and please help me to support my YouTube channel to make it big by subscribing, like, and share. It's been a vlog of Maryland. Thank you and God bless you all. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you and God bless. So long, enjoy, and God bless you all. Have a good day and have a good evening to you all. And mabuhay po tayong lahat samantala naroon ng sulok ng mundo. It's 5:15 here in the afternoon in Maryland, USA, and 5:15 a.m. in the Philippines. And I'm sure it's evening somewhere, afternoon somewhere, wherever you are in the whole world. Ingat po tayo and God bless. So long and take care. God bless you all.